Are you tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable because of constipation? Struggling to have a smooth bathroom routine every morning? Don't worry. This video is exactly what you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll reveal powerful natural methods to relieve constipation fast. No harsh medicines, just simple, effective, and proven home remedies that actually work. Watch till the end to discover how you can enjoy easy digestion, a lighter body, and a healthier gut. Starting today. Papaya, oats, banana, spinach, apple. 5 simple foods that quietly rescue your digestion. Want to feel lighter, move your bowels more easily, and keep your gut happy? Without medicine? Read on. This friendly guide explains how each food helps, why it works, and easy ways to add them to your day. Have you ever wondered which everyday foods actually help with constipation? Or which fruit or grain to eat in the morning to keep things moving all day? Let's answer those questions with clear, science-backed facts, in plain language. Why fiber and enzymes matter, short and simple. Your gut works best when food moves steadily through it. Fiber adds bulk and softens stool. Water and natural digestive enzymes help break food down so your body absorbs nutrients and bowels move smoothly. Small, everyday choices, like grabbing an apple or a bowl of oats, add up fast. For the basics about how fiber helps digestion and prevents constipation, see Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic. Papaya, nature's enzyme helper. What it does. Papaya contains enzymes called papain and chemopapain that help break down proteins. This can make digestion easier and reduce feelings of heaviness after a meal. Papaya is also naturally high in fiber and water, which together help keep stool soft and regular. How it helps constipation. Papain helps your stomach and small intestine digest food faster and more efficiently, especially protein-rich meals. The fruit's fiber helps add bulk to stool and moves it along. Some papaya preparations have been studied for digestive discomfort and showed benefits for gut symptoms. Easy ways to eat it. Fresh papaya slices for breakfast. Blend papaya into a smoothie with yogurt or oats. Add diced papaya to a salad for a sweet, digestive boost. Tip: ripe papaya is sweet and gentle on the stomach. Raw green. Papaya is used in some cuisines and also contains papain, but most people find ripe papaya easier to digest. Oats, softening soluble fiber superstar. What it does. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance. This softens stool and makes it easier to pass. Oats also contain insoluble fiber that adds bulk and helps move food along the digestive tract. How it helps constipation. The soluble fiber in oats holds water in the gut. Softer stool passes more easily. Regular oatmeal can improve stool consistency and promote steady bowel habits when combined with good hydration. Easy ways to eat it. Warm oatmeal for breakfast with sliced banana or apple. Overnight oats soaked in milk or yogurt adds hydration. Add a spoonful of oats to smoothies for extra fiber. Tip: drink water with your oats. Fiber needs fluid to work well. Banana, gentle regulator, ripe versus unripe. What it does. Bananas contain both soluble fiber and resistant starch. The amount and type change with ripeness. Green, unripe. Bananas have more resistant starch and pectin, which act like food for beneficial gut bacteria. Ripe bananas have more simple sugars and are softer, which many people find easier to digest. How it helps constipation. Ripe bananas, soft, yellow, often help relieve constipation because they are easy on the gut and supply soluble fiber that can help normalize bowel movements. Green bananas, rich in resistant starch, may feed healthy bacteria and help long-term gut health, but can sometimes firm up stool in the short term. If you're constipated, many dietitians suggest choosing ripe bananas. Easy ways to eat it. Slice ripe banana on oatmeal or cereal. Mash banana into yogurt or use as a natural sweetener in smoothies. Freeze ripe bananas to blend into a creamy, fiber-rich nice cream. Tip: if one type of banana seems to make you feel worse, switch ripeness. Everyone's gut reacts a bit differently. Spinach, fiber plus magnesium, a double help. What it does: spinach is a leafy green packed with insoluble fiber and magnesium. The fiber adds bulk to stool. Magnesium draws water into the intestines and relaxes the muscles there, which helps stool move more easily. Spinach also gives you vitamins and minerals that support overall gut and body health. How it helps constipation. The combination of fiber and magnesium makes spinach one of the gentler vegetables for cleansing the digestive tract and preventing constipation. Regularly eating greens supports steady bowel habits over time. Easy ways to eat it. Add a handful of spinach to smoothies. You won't taste it, but your gut will benefit. Sauté spinach with garlic as a side dish. Toss raw spinach into salads or sandwiches for added crunch and nutrition. Tip: if you take medication that affects blood clotting, like warfarin, check with your clinician about eating large amounts of spinach because of its vitamin K content. Apple, pectin power for gut balance. What it does: apples are rich in a soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin helps keep stool soft and serves as a food source for beneficial gut bacteria. Apples also contain lots of water, which helps hydration and supports smooth digestion. How it helps constipation. Pectin forms a gel in the intestines, which softens stool and speeds transit. Eating whole apples skin on provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a balanced choice for regularity. Mayo Clinic Health System. Easy ways to eat it. Snack on a whole apple with the skin on. Cube apples into oatmeal or salads. Bake apples with cinnamon for a warm, easy-to-eat dessert that helps digestion. Tip: applesauce is convenient, but may contain less fiber than a whole apple. For the full benefit, eat the skin. Short meal plan to get all 5 into one day. Breakfast: oatmeal topped with sliced ripe banana and papaya. Mid-morning snack: an apple skin on. Lunch: spinach salad with grilled chicken and a few papaya cubes. Snack or dessert: frozen banana nice cream. Dinner: stir fry with spinach and a small side of oats, savory oat pilaf, or a papaya salsa. Small swaps like these make fiber and enzymes a daily habit. That's the real secret to long-term regularity. Extra tips that actually work. Hydrate. Fiber needs water to work. Aim for regular sips through the day. Move. A short walk after meals helps digestion. Start slow. If you suddenly add tons of fiber, you may get gas or bloating. Gradually increase fiber over 1 to 2 weeks. Combine fiber types. Soluble oats, apple, banana, plus insoluble spinach, apple skin, equals the best result. Who should be careful? Most people can safely enjoy these foods. But if you have a medical condition, like IBS that reacts to certain fibers, or you take medications affected by vitamin K, spinach, or other nutrients, check with a healthcare provider. Also, if you have sudden, severe abdominal pain or persistent constipation, seek medical care. Quick summary: why these 5 foods work together. Papaya gives digestive enzymes, papain, that help break down food and ease digestion. Oats provide soluble fiber that softens stool and helps regularity. Banana, ripe, is gentle and contains soluble fiber that can normalize bowel movements. Spinach delivers insoluble fiber and magnesium to bulk up stool and relax gut muscles. Apple offers pectin, a soluble fiber that supports healthy digestion and feeds good gut bacteria. Final friendly note: small, steady changes beat big, temporary fixes. Add one of these foods to your routine today: a bowl of oats, a sliced apple, or a papaya smoothie, and notice how your digestion responds over the next few days. If things don't improve or you have worrying symptoms, check in with a healthcare professional. If you found this helpful, don't just stop here. Start adding these foods to your meals today. Your gut will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Befitest for more simple, science-backed tips to keep your body healthy the natural way. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and remember, your wellness journey starts with what's on your plate.